The global economics to mobile phone manufactured by China. Ngayon, tatanggalin na siya sa platform ng US for Inter Hollywood, Celebrity Canada, Australia, USA, and London. So, because our people is smartphone in China, Philippines is very poor people, lot money, wala silang pera at may hirap sila. This is domino effect for preferred because Iranian and America and Russia is most terrifying relationship at wala akong magagawa dyan because hindi naman ako nakikinabang ng life and you are corrupt and over to believe, di kayo magdusa, I don't care. For to change your mobile phone, mag-ipon na kayo ng pera because magbabago ang lahat for just beginning. So, open ang Google Pixel, Motorola, and BlackBerry. Sonic Kia to international English version is not a China version. So with a proof for your databases and access for your bank apps is very security, and iPhone is very problem because people always living the iPhone, but the iPhone is a global but it's not American version as a secondary or class E or anything local version and Asian manufacturing. Thank you for this mobile to my YouTube channel. This is very important for our crisis world to foreign policy in world market. Thank you.
We're seeing an unprecedented military convoy right here in central London. No official statement yet, but this is far from normal.
Storage, kaya hindi mo na kailangan ng memory card. At ngayon ipapakita ko, makers of Nokia phones, nag-release na rin sila ng bagong Android phone at ito nga ang HMD Pulse Pro. At ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ito kaganda at ano-ano ang mga specs nito. When it comes to appearance ay sobrang unique ng kanyang design. Kung titignan mo ay napaka high class ng pagkakagawa. Sa bandang ibaba, andyan ang 3.5mm audio port, Type-C port, at kasama dyan ang mic at speakers. Available colors niya ay Glacier Green, Twilight Purple, at Black Ocean. Made and design ito from Europe kaya nakakasigurado kang mas quality ang pagkakagawa nito kumpara sa ibang Android phones. Micro-curve na ang kanyang screen na equal sa kanyang with bezel. 6.6-inch HD display with the refresh rate of 90Hz kaya napaka-smooth ito kapag sinaswipe. Kapag nagbabrowse ka, like for example nag-FB ka or nanonood ng mga video sa TikTok. Pagdating naman sa kanyang camera, meron siyang 50 megapixel AF dual camera sa likod na may super night plus tripod mode, night selfie plus AI super portrait, selfie slow-mo at marami pang ibang features yung camera niya. 50 megapixel din ang camera niya sa harap kaya pwede mo rin ito magamit pang vlog o panggawa ng mga video contents. Meron siyang 8GB RAM plus 8GB extended RAM, total of 16GB mga katropa, plus 256 internal storage kaya hindi mo na kailangan ng memory card sa laki ng storage nito. Android 14 na ang kanyang Android version with the CPU of Unisoc T606. And when it comes to battery and charging, meron siyang 5,000 mAh battery capacity with 20 watts fast charging. At umaabot ito ng up to 59 hours operating time. Grabe, hindi ka mabibitin sa paggamit nito. At ito na yung pinakahihintay nyo mga katropa kung pwede pa siya pang gaming. Yes, dahil tested na siya sa iba't ibang online games like Genshin Impact, Honor of Kings, even sa mga offline games at napaka-smooth lang niya talaga. At ngayon available na ang HMD Pulse Pro sa iba't ibang online shop, sa Orange and Blue shop at dito sa HMD's official TikTok shop. Magugulat ka sa presyo dahil sobrang mura lang nito katropa kaya naman umorder ka na. At para maka-order, pindutin mo lang dyan ang ating yellow basket at makaka-order ka rin yan sa aking showcase. From the makers of Nokia